Shaolin Quan Level 5 Part 3. Let's go! Let's straight into it. The Level 5 Part 3. The last move from the last lesson, so you go knee lift like this. You landing your right foot, your left hand blocking and go down to protect your head. And you step your left vertical punch straight. And you fit together both hands, come back your waist. You step your right, same time, double fist. Alright, so let's talk about the first four move first. The first move, this is 格种. If someone punch you, you go blocking and you redirection to push down and come back to protect your head. At same time, the vertical punch. Vertical punch is straight, this is a flat punch. The power out, the last point with your power. Your hand, zoom, right there. Say one. So this is a circle to protect you and blocking and punch with your power. This is the first move. You go blocking and punch. And after you quick both hand, come back to your waist, you step, and double power from your shoulder and go, so to forward. So double punch and double power from low and high with that power. So the fourth move is very powerful. Blocking, punch, come back, attack with your steps. You same thing. So you go redirection. So you go landing, you say redirection, step from low and push your heel and power, right? Feet together, see this. Very important when you transfer next move, you step quick. And you same thing, step quick, you right. Same time, with your double punch. Very powerful for first move. Great, so follow me now to go a little bit more. From the movement number 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The movement number 5. Step back, cross your both hands, and open your both arm flat, and finger up like this. And you cross your both hands. 1, 2, 3. This is called hammer. And go down. Hand open like this. So follow me now. Say 1, cross. Your left hand on the top. Your left hand go up. Your right hand and follows all the way. Go up. Straight, touch your ear and the lift. At the same time, your feet and your hand together with the power. That is a powerful hammer. A common move in long fist. Knee lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So finish right here. So you go 1, step your left hand also blocking in front. Say this again. Step and blocking. Come back. Chop. And you go punch right, both sides. Punch left, both sides. And twist the other side. 3 punch in the row. After hammer, you step left. Same time, you go 按掌. If someone punch you, you go to 按掌 to blocking. Same thing. Someone kick you, you go 按掌. You go punch punch. So this is a 2 punch in a row with speed, with the vertical punch, right and left. So you can count 1, 2 together and 3. So rhythm kind of like boom. So you go punch punch da. So you can punch both sides. Punch punch boom. So attacking both left and right. Let's go to a more further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so after this movement, you step up, both hands open, arm wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, with horse stance, See this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump and turn elbow with your first step. Let's spend more time for this one arm wheel. So let's see. Your both hand open. We like break down like a robot training, right? So you go 1, right hand go down and straight. This is 1 count. 2, your right straight go up and left follows 2. And 3, left hand continue. And 4, your right hand continue go up and come back. This is the full turn arm wheel. So again, go down. 1, 2, flat. 3, 4. Perfect. So this is a very common movement. The techniques, you have to relax your arm. To do more exercise like this one to relax your arm, and you both your arm can go front. Just relax. The more relaxed, you get more speed. So you see this, once you relax, you really can make this relaxed and fast. Looks nice. And they have a couple ways to improve this technique. So follow me. You can training at home. If you find something like this, the one, you try as close as possible. Open your both arm, same technique. You go 1, you really straight follow the directions. You say you never have problem, and your technique will correct. Your direction will straight. Just continue and slow to doing this. So the more you do, you more relaxed and you get better with this way. And also, you can practice with stuff. So once you have the stuff, you both hand hold both sides, like this, front of you. See this, your arm will straight, just follow the stuff, right? And you go. Once you're in this point, go behind your neck, and you go forward, straight, and come back in front of you. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. More relaxed, you get better with that way. So continue. Alright, so from the move number 1 until the last move, almost there. What's your goal in 2022? My goal, I want you to have good training and good kung fu. I want to give all I have to help you the best I can. But I want you to get up and training and keep training hard to achieve your goal, not just to make a plan. You want to take action. So follow me now. Landing, go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha! From this one, you quick stand up, both hands flat in your left side, all the way over your head. Knee lift, your toe go outside, and you go attack by your elbow. So let's finish up this one. Quick note with this part. So once you finish right here, you see your both hands become palm. Go to your left side and straight over your head, and you knee lift. You make a step. You go to the other side, you land in your left, your palm just right this way, and push your left hand to become elbow with this power. So one more time from this side. So you come right here, both hands. 1, over, knee lift, your toe go this way because you got stuck. You quick sense the direction, and you landing your left, you both hands go attack with your elbow, your hand. You go this way and you lean your chest forward. So this is the elbow attack. Your body, of course, to follow the attack with the target. So follow me to do 3 times for the whole combo of level 5, part 3. So the first, we do the speed like robot, move by move, clear to get understand directions, movement, technique. The second time, we call human speed. We do smooth to get right with all movement. The last time, we call Superman speed. So we gotta do fast we can, we do the much power we can to get done with today's lesson to have a good day. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's go. Human speed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's follow me for the last one. Superman speed. 上上水上，水上上，水上上上上上上上上上。Whoa, that feels great. How are you, my friend? Do you follow the three times with me? With the three different speed? Robot, human, and Superman. You are the Superman. I wish you the best in the new year. So, I see you in next video. And bye-bye.